What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Battlefield is having an issue with error software cannot be used at this time as DiscSoftLTD error that is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the game either on Steam or on EA Sports. So let me suggest you some steps you can try out if you're having this trouble. So first one is Audible. You have to close the Daemon Tools if it's already running. So just go over here in the system tray and you have to click on this one. Now we can see over here we have various apps. So as you can see, the Daemon Tools light is here. So you have to right click and you have to go for exit. So now the Daemon Tools will be completely exit from here. Then you have to check by launch the game. This is the first and foremost step. The issue that is everyone facing is only because of the Daemon Tools light, this particular app. So first you have to close from here. Then you have to go over here, right click and directly navigate to the task manager. Sometimes, the Daemon Tools light might be running over here in the background. So if you find Daemon Tools light or anything associated with Daemon Tools light, for example, anything associated with this, right click and go for end the task. Now just check whether Daemon Tools light is here, or if it is running, you have to just remove it from here and you have to check. Most probably trying out first step will be fixing, or this might work. Still, if it's not working, I'll demonstrate you 3 more steps. Third step is all about what we need to do is we just need to navigate to the device manager or search for the device manager. And once the device manager pop up, you have to go over here, or you have to expand storage controllers over here. Now we can see the Daemon Tools light is here. So what you need to do is you just need to right click. First, we just need to make sure whether it is disabled or not. So you have to right click on this one. So as you can see, it is right now enabled. So you have to right click and go for disable device. So it will be disabled. So the Daemon Tools will be right now disabled. As you can see, the icon represent it is disabled. So you have to disable it. Now once you disable it, you have to check. Next one is all about after this, you have to go over here, go to the control panel. Now from here to the control panel, go to programs and features. Now from here you have to find Daemon Tools. Keep scrolling down and somewhere else you will be able to find a Daemon Tools. Select this, right click and go for uninstall. After uninstalling, you have to close this and you have to check with the game. Parallelly, you have to uninstall any apps such as DS4 Windows, Auto Hotkeys, Synapse, anything associated with this kind of Daemon Tools light should be completely uninstalled. Then afterwards you have to check. And also make sure all these kind of third-party applications which I mentioned should also be uninstalled. Then you have to launch the game and most probably that's going to help you guys out. We can try the same step for both EA Sports as well, but I don't have the game on EA Sports. I'm having the game with this team, so that is why I demonstrate today with this. And that's a short video, and I hope this quick video is helpful. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.